this video I will show you how to put in the bobbin thread so you're ready to sew. So if you have some thread, bobbin thread already in the machine, you just simply move the lid by dragging this little button to the right, and you have to put the new one in. And it's important that it unwinds the right way, and it has to be from the top to the left side, like this. And there's a little spring hook here, and you can use your finger to make the thread go in from the right side and then slide it to the left, holding the top thread while we are turning the hand wheel. And I can simply just drag it here and use my finger or a scissor or something to take it up here. I put the lid on back again, hold it like that, and make it go in the middle of the foot. Make sure there's around 30 centimeters on the back side so you are ready to sew.